Alright, so this is my Mavic Air. I have it rigged up to a rope and just a little cup. And I have weights, some 50 grams, 25 grams, and some 100 grams. I'm going to see how much weight this guy can lift. So we'll see. Alright, here we go. I already know it's going to lift over 25 grams, but I'm just gonna go ahead and start by putting a 25 gram in there. So I'm gonna go onto the app and I'm gonna disable all of the obstacle avoidance so I'm not getting all of these alerts. Okay, so I've went and done that. Just make sure that they're all off. Turn off landing. Okay. Alright. So, I'm going to go ahead and take it up.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Okay, yeah. 25 grams, not a problem. That's kind of obvious. Okay, I'm going to put another 25 grams in there. Okay. Also not a problem. I'm not even on the throttle. Okay, so I'm going to take out those 25. Okay. And I'm going to put in a 100. Okay. Also not a problem. Still doing good. I'm going to put in another 100. We'll see how that works out. Okay, still good, surprisingly. So that's 200 grams so far. I'm gonna put in another 50. Still good. So that's 250 grams, and we're still going strong. Okay, put in another 50. Okay, that's 300 grams, and we're still good. I'm able to move up. Okay, actually now I'm getting an alert that says max motor speed reached, but I'm still good. So, hold on. Okay, so now full trigger up. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out. I took out that 50, and I'm gonna put in a. Okay, so that's 325 grams, and it's just barely holding it up. So I'd say the limit's around 325. Yeah, cool. Oh, it smells. I can smell it. Smell the motors. Oh yeah, they're super hot. Yeah. Wow. Okay, so yeah, 325 is what I got. It was just struggling to get alert, and once I put in that last 25, I saw an alert that popped on my screen that said max motor speed reached. So I think 325 is about what that is. I'm not sure what that is in ounces, but I'll put it up on the screen. But yeah, so hope you enjoyed today's video. Please leave a like and subscribe, and be sure to check out our channel and watch some of our other videos. All right, see you guys later.